Hey homies, what's up? It's your boy, back again to expand that vocabulary with today's GRE word of the day. And today's word is dull. D-U-L-L. Dull. Adjective. Tedious, uninteresting, as in dull lectures in school that you fall asleep through. Or lacking sharpness of edge or point, as in this dull ass knife isn't cutting a damn thing. Or not resonant or ringing, a dull booming sound. As well as lacking in force, intensity, or sharpness, a dull ache as opposed to a sharp ache. One of my favorites, lacking brilliance or luster, a dull finish, a dull mind, a dull simpleton, if you will. Cloudy, dull weather. Or low in saturation and low in lightness, as in a dull green. There's also slow in perception or sensibility, i.e. insensible, somewhat dull of hearing, and dull to what went on around her. There's also lacking zest or vivacity, a dull performance, if you will. Slow in action or sluggish, as in dull markets. Alright homies, that was your GRE word of the day. Dull. Adjective, lacking performance and interest, or tedious and uninteresting. Y'all be safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Catch you on the next one.